guys, welcome back to my channel for a very quick CVS haul video. Thank you all for joining me once again, and if you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and let's go pick up some deals. The first deal I'm picking up will be the Spend 12 Get 3 back, and Aveeno lotion is part of this deal. I'll pick up the one priced at $11.99, and that's within the 98% rule. Everybody received a $3 off Aveeno Extra Care coupon that I'm going to use, and I have a second $3 Aveeno CRT and a $2 off Aveeno CRT. The 3 CRTs will take off $8, and I'll pay $3.99, get 3 back, making it just 99 cents. This is my receipt for this transaction. As you can see, the 3 CRTs came off. I used $2.68 in Extra Care box, paid $1.31 out of pocket, and I got $3 back, making it just 99 cents. The next item I picked up is the 1 liter Crest mouthwash. They are on sale for 2 for $10, and they are part of buy 2 get $5 back. I'll pick up 2, and I'll use the 4 off 2 digital coupon. That will leave me to pay $6 and get 5 back, making them $1 or 50 cents each. This is my receipt for this transaction. The 4 off 2 applied. I used a $5 Extra Care box, paid $1 plus tax out of pocket, and I got 5 back, making them just $1 or 50 cents each. The next deal I'll pick up is the Eucerin deal. They are part of Spend 20 Get $10 back, and the first item I'll pick up is the hand cream. It's priced at $7.79, but on the app it's priced at $6.99. I'm going to ask the cashier to adjust the price. To complete this deal, I'll pick up 2 5-ounce Eucerin lotion priced at $6.99 each. These 3 items will total $20.97. I will use a $3 Eucerin digital coupon and 2 $2 off Eucerin tear pad coupon. I also have a 3 off 20 Eucerin CRT. The 3 coupons and the CRT will take off $10, and I'll pay $11.97, get 10 back, making them 97 cents or 32 cents each. This is my receipt for this transaction. For the hand cream, the cashier adjusted the price to $6.99. All my coupons and the CRT applied. I used $10 Extra Care box, paid 97 cents plus tax out of pocket, and I got $10 back, making them just 97 cents or 32 cents each. The last 2 items I picked up is the CVS brand vitamin C. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 free, no Extra Care box back, and it's priced at $4.79. I'm going to pick up 2, and I have a $3 CRT. That will leave me to pay just $1.79. Then I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta for $3 back, limit of 1. That will make these 2 free and $1.21 money maker. This is my receipt for this transaction. I paid just $1.79 out of pocket, and I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got my $3 back, making them free and $1.21 money maker. This concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.